Join me as I dive into the world of budget tech and challenge myself to find the absolute cheapest phone in 2025 that's actually worth using. Let's face it, smartphones are getting flashier, faster, and more expensive. But what about those of us who want to stay connected without emptying our wallets? Whether you're a student on a budget, someone just looking for a solid backup device, or you simply refuse to spend $1,000 on a phone, you're not alone. The good news? 2025 is full of surprisingly capable phones that deliver real value without breaking the bank. Today, I'm on a mission to find the cheapest phone that doesn't suck. 1. The struggle is real. We've all been there. Scrolling through pages of budget phones, watching endless reviews, and still wondering, am I just throwing money away on a laggy, low-quality brick? The budget market is full of compromises. One phone might have a good screen but a terrible camera. Another may run smooth for the first 3 apps you install. And don't even get me started on the bloatware. But 2025 is a turning point. Budget no longer means bad. You just need to know where to look, and that's where I come in. 2. How to shop smart on a budget. Before I reveal the cheapest phone worth buying this year, let's break down what you should look for when money is tight. Performance over prestige. A decent processor, like the Snapdragon 4 Gen series or MediaTek Helio G85, and 4GB plus RAM are minimums for smooth daily use. Battery life. If you're saving money, you shouldn't also have to carry around a power bank 24/7. Look for a 5,000 mAh battery and at least 18 fast charging. Display quality, forget 4K, but even budget phones now have 6.5 plus full HD plus displays with 90 Hz refresh rates, way smoother than the 60 Hz of yesteryear. Camera expectations, you won't get flagship quality, but even sub-$200 phones now have decent night mode, AI enhancements, and solid daylight performance. Software support, this one's crucial. Look for brands that offer regular updates. Even one OS upgrade is better than none. Clean Android or light skins like MyUI Lite or Realme UI are your best bet. 3. Standout budget phones in 2025. After combing through countless reviews and spec sheets, here are 2 top contenders for the cheapest reliable smartphones in 2025. Realme C35, sleek budget. King price, under $200, what you get. 6.6 FHD plus display. Unisoc T616 processor, surprisingly capable. 5,000 mAh battery with 18 Ws fast charging, 50 mAh AI camera, side-mounted fingerprint scanner. Why it's great. The C35 punches above its weight with its clean look, fluid UI, and respectable performance for light gaming, streaming, and social media. Poco X5, the ultimate value phone price. Around $150 what you get. Snapdragon 695 5G chip, 6.67. AMOLED, 120 Hz display, 5,000 mAh battery plus 33 W fast charging, 48 MP main camera, 5G support. Why it wins. The Poco X5 blows away expectations for the price. 5G, a fast AMOLED screen, great battery life, and a well-optimized MIUI skin make this a budget phone that doesn't feel like one. 4. Why the Poco X5 wins. The Poco X5 isn't just the cheapest decent phone of 2025, it's a symbol of where the budget market is heading. How does it stay so affordable? A lean production and aggressive pricing strategies from Xiaomi. Focused features, no gimmicks. Large community support for software tips, custom ROMs, and more. And what really seals the deal is that you're not compromising usability. You're getting a reliable daily driver that handles calls, video, light gaming, photography, and social media, all without breaking a sweat. 5. What this means for the future. Budget phones used to mean suffering through lag and settling for plastic bricks. But now they're evolving into highly capable devices that can meet most people's needs. Here's what this trend tells us. Flagship features are trickling down faster than ever. New brands like Poco and Realme are raising the bar. Refurbished phones might finally have serious competition. Consumers have more choice, without more cost. Cheap doesn't mean cheaply made. So is it possible to get a great phone in 2025 for under $150? Absolutely. The Poco X5 proves that you don't need to sacrifice performance or style to stay within budget. And as tech continues to evolve, I expect even better deals just around the corner. Call to action. Now I want to hear from you. Have you found a killer budget phone recently? Are you using the Poco X5 or something else that surprised you? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more deep dives into affordable tech, budget gear, and no BS recommendations, make sure to subscribe and smash that notification bell so you never miss an update.